Can you imagine this life, your life, without fear? I know sometimes each of us like have fear, don't have fear, we think it's normal, yeah? But what is fear is one of the biggest illusion. Fear stealing time, lives, health, money, investments. But the most disgusting when we feel fear, when we're on the top when we're on the top positions, yeah. We're responsible for our decision. We're responsible for our team, for our businesses, for our people, for our salaries, for our investment, and also people on the top management positions. When they start to feel fear, they start to feel guilt in front of the team, people, salaries, investment crisis. So this is fear plus guilt. It's so heavy that person basically not able to see clarity, not able to see clear, not able to be effective and productive, not able to lead. And as a top management, it's difficult to share with friends, share with the colleagues, share with the team. Look, I have this situation. So, 12th of October, we have event, how to transform fear into clarity, in the effective and productive solution and results. And this event is going to be in my networking club for top management only. This is in Dubai, Four Seasons Hotel. So basically what we're going to do, it's all event, all day. We're going to be connecting as networking, yeah? Plus, we're going to master the algorithm how to remove fear, how to not stay in that field if you already got inside, how to come out fast, how to transform it into clarity, into action, how to become effective again, how to let go guilt. So what we're gonna do, we start to open up the true desire. This is my special ability, able to see soul purpose, energy, possibility, probabilities, limitation. So basically, I'm able to help people to be unlimited. When we live in the true desire, the happiness and joy became absolutely norm for us, because it is norm, it's a legacy, it's our norm. Happiness, it's not something that come in and go. It's a norm to be home, to be aligned, to be yourself, to be a self-centered. Yeah. So, key number 4, what we're gonna do, it's create wealth based on unity, support, and happiness. So we're gonna have fun. We're gonna multiply resources. We're gonna create masterpieces. We're gonna create together. So all day for my beautiful guest, we're gonna provide information. We're gonna provide mastery of alignment, community, friendship, support system. Of course, connection with same mind people, brilliant hearts. Of course, we're gonna provide you beautiful lunch and champagne. So we are celebrating life, we are creating together. I'm inviting you to my networking club in Dubai, 12th of October, 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Four Seasons. To confirm your reservation and know details, just see the information below under this video. All the best.